Keep looking.
Kaden, keep looking.
I want to plug in this. I found some.
Put them in your cup.
I found some. And some more. Green, Mama. They're green.
Wow.
I found these.
Put them in your cup. Put them in your cup.
Ta-da!
Get some more. Get some more.
Where's the other one?
Look around.
Hey, I found that.
Look everywhere.
Look on the floor,
Check
too.
the floor. Check the piano.
Hey, I found some. I found them at the bottom. I found some.
Watch your head.
And I found some here.
Keep looking.
It's there. It's there. No, I didn't go to grab it.
Curious to count them up.
I know.
Whoa, I found some.
Check the piano.
Tommy. Oh, there's some up on the piano.
And one for you. There you go, Tommy. There you say. And one for me and one for you.
Keep looking. There's more. There's more.
Where are you?
Check all the chairs. Check all the chairs.
Did they, no, I want to take
Kaden.
that.
Kaden.
Where's my, where's my, where is the other
Sometimes
one?
the Easter bunnies go into the bathrooms too.
Did he have to go to the bathroom and use the toilet? Go look in the bathroom.
No. We're looking for the Easter eggs.
Maybe you should check the bathroom.
Maybe you should look in the bathroom.
More.
Go look in the bathroom.
I found one. I found two.
Whoa.
I found them. I found some more. I thought there was in there.
Did the Easter Bunny watch any TV?
Let's keep looking.
Keep looking. Did the Easter Bunny turn on the radio in the kitchen?
I don't know. Hello. It's off.
But what did he leave behind?
Thank you.
Look it by the speakers. Oh.
Where's mine?
I think there's one more spot.
Where?
I
There.
think there's two more spots.
Is there another spot too?
Where's mine?
Sometimes they like to, the Easter Bunny hides things by the closet.
Where?
Sometimes.
Over by the closet.
Oh.
And the Easter Bunny sometimes starts to go upstairs, but then gets really shy, and then stops.
Oh.
There's like some upstairs.
No, I don't think the Easter Bunny goes all the way upstairs. I think he's shy.
Oh, maybe he just looked at the stairs over here. Come here.
There's
Hint, hint.
Here's that.
Okay, give Tommy a couple of them too, okay? One for Tommy?
Where is it? Where is
I think we might have hit it.
Did we get all of them?
Baby, we can find them.
Oh. I think we found them all, everybody.
Doesn't the Easter
Now
Bunny
we
usually
can't eat them.
Easter Bunny leave something a little bigger?
Oh, like a big prize?
There.
Okay, Daddy, did you see a big prize? Did the Easter Bunny hide something even bigger? No, not in there.
Not in there, eh?
Not up there.
Easter Bunny left these for you.
Chocolate bunnies!
Woo, thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Wave to the camera and say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, camera.